Activix is seamlessly integrated with EasyDeal. We'll be able to transfer our customers from Activix to EasyDeal. We'll also receive the updated customer and transaction information from EasyDeal back into Activix. Let's talk a little bit about how that works. EasyDeal will be able to receive from Activix the customer and business information, the wanted vehicle, as well as the financial information. From EasyDeal, we'll then receive all of that information updated either overnight, when the deal is saved, or when the deal is sold. Let's go take a look at how that works. Let's go ahead and create a customer together. Here, we'll input the customer's name and information as usual, and then we'll click Create. In this case, I can actually send a vehicle to EasyDeal, but I'll just go ahead and select one in EasyDeal directly, but first I have to import the customer in EasyDeal. We'll go into the quotation bank, click on Activix Import, and then select the customer on the top. The latest customer created in Activix will always appear at the top of the list. We'll select the customer, and then we'll select a vehicle. Then, overnight, I'll receive this vehicle as such in Activix with all of the vehicle's information as well as the financial information. If the vehicle is sold in EasyDeal, you'd see here that I also get the sale date information. Simple as that.